Today we are making a spicy Korean soft tofu stew, Sundubu Jjigae. With just this one dish, you won't even need side dishes. One bowl of rice will disappear in no time. I'll be using ground pork today, but ground beef works just as well. You need onion, Korean large green onion, zucchini, shiitake mushroom, chili peppers, green onion, garlic, ginger, soft tofu, and an egg. Cooking in a heavy pot helps keep the stew hot for longer. Let's start by preparing the vegetables. Dice the onion and slice the zucchini into thin pieces. Chop the large green onion for making broth. I'm using just the white part. Grate the ginger into the meat as it cooks and mince the garlic to have it ready. Slice the green onions and chili peppers for garnish. Cut the shiitake mushrooms about the same size as the zucchini. Heat sesame oil in a pot, then add Korean large green onion and onion. Stir fry on medium-low heat for about 3 minutes until fragrant without burning. Add garlic and saute for 1 more minute. Now add the ground pork. Cook for about 3 minutes until the liquid evaporates and the fat starts to render. Add a little grated ginger. Next, add Korean red pepper flakes. Stir for about 3 minutes, creating a rich red chili oil. This step is key for flavor. Add soy sauce and fish sauce. Stir for another 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking the soy sauce and fish sauce together with the meat before pouring in water really enhances the depth of flavor. For the broth, I'm using half chicken stock and half water, but you can also use plain water, anchovy kelp stock, or beef broth. Once it comes to a boil, add zucchini and mushrooms. While the veggies are cooking, put the bean sprout salad and dried seaweed in bowls as side dishes. Crack the egg into a bowl in advance, ready to top the Sundubu Jjigae. Cut the soft tofu in half right in the package. When the zucchini is almost done, add the soft tofu and break it apart. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, then top it with the egg. Sprinkle a little black pepper and top with chopped green onions and chili peppers. And here it is, rich, spicy, flavorful Sundubu Jjigae. Served with just a couple of simple side dishes, it makes a complete and healthy meal.
잘 쓴 서면이겠다. 뭐가 문제죠?
제가 잘할 수 있을지가.
Try making Sundubu Jjigae and let me know in the comment how it turned out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 안녕.